Okay, so hello everyone. I am again here with one more program that is actually based on dictionary. So the program heading is we are interested in printing top three items. We are interested in printing top three items from the given dictionary. Okay, from the given dictionary, and that is also based on the highest value. And we have to print both the things, key also and value also. We have to print both the things. So we have one dictionary in which we have key as our stationery items, pen, pencil, notebook, marker pen or eraser. And we also have some random values for that all the keys. So based on these five items, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, top three, if I say, then as per value 55 will be first one, then 45 will be second one, and 41 will be third one. That is what we have to print. But not only values, we have to print keys also. So what we are doing is, first of all, we will only take values from this dictionary. So we are writing my dictionary dot values function, which is inbuilt in dictionary, and we are converting it into a list form, and we are storing our answer in X. Suppose if you want, we can write also print X after this, and you can easily check that we are getting only values. Okay, suppose if you want, I can remove this part also. Suppose, see, we are getting only values. That's it. Okay. Now, once you are done with that values, we have one more thing, that is nothing but what? Dictionary, because at the end, we want our answer in the form of dictionary. So initially our dictionary will be blank. D is equal to dict function we have used. So now uh, our list is stored in variable X. So we want top three items. So what we will do, we will write X dot sort, but in descending order. So we will write reverse equal to true. So what we will get, highest value first. If I write print statement and if I check, suppose if I remove the remaining code, okay, and see, this is the highest value, highest value, highest value in that order. So using sorting, you will get at least that part. So now the next thing is, we are interested in only three. So what we will do, we will write slicing things, and we will write start from 0, and it is n minus 1 always. So it will be 3 minus 1 and 2. So if you want, I can print this part also, that what exactly we are getting. That if I write print X now after slicing, actually, I will remove this part quickly. See, we are getting only, so we are done with at least top three values. We are done with that. So this is how we can write any program or code step by step. Then obviously now in X we have three values. So whatever three values are there, we have to find the corresponding keys. So from one by one, from the X, we will take first value, it will get stored in I. Then we have one more for loop, and J, it is for keys. So from my dictionary, that is our original, one by one only keys will be given to J, one by one. It will start in normal order. First pen, then pencil, then notebook, then marker pen, and then erase. So first key will be pen, which is given to J. Then we have a if condition. If my dictionary of J is what? Pen. That means if my dictionary of pen is equal to our current value of I is 55. So if pen is equal to 55, no, because marker pen is equal to 55. So obviously condition is false. It will jump to pencil. It will again check. It is equal to 55, no. It will jump to notebook. It is equal to, no. It will jump to marker pen. When marker pen will come in J, and if the condition is true, it will print. Okay, it will print string of J, that is because of single quotation it will print. Then colon sign we require actually, and then again it will join that colon with again my dictionary, that is this one, of J. So in J we have marker pen. So here instead of my dictionary of J it will print 55. And then we are done with the first one. So now that first for loop, we are done with the first value of X. Second will be the same process for 45. It will go inside and it will check from here only, one by one. And then third time it will be for 41.30. Again it will start from here only and it will check. And this is how it is. It is like going to print this top three elements. So now we will check our final output actually. Okay, F5. See, 55, 45, 41, that are three values. And also it is coming marker pen, pen and notebook. So this is our actually final answer, you can see. Okay, thank you everyone.